Hey guys, Nick here. Today we're going to check out the one-of-a-kind KZ Connect 252BH. Let's go check it out. First thing I want to point out up here in the master suite, up here you get a windshield for natural lighting, you get wardrobe hanging space, 2 reading lights, you get a king bed with storage underneath. All right guys, here we are at Caffeine Cove right in the kitchen. We have everything you need from a recep to plug your coffee pots in, cup holders, key holders, and then over here we have our KZ Engage switch panel. Here we have our 12-volt refrigerator. Over here you get your range hood and microwave, and tons of storage. And here at the island you get the faucet with sprayer, single basin sink, trash can storage. And on to my favorite feature of this bunkhouse is this bar top seating with a top that folds away when not in use. The family will enjoy this 96-inch theater seat with 4 recliners while enjoying the 12-volt entertainment TV and 40-inch fireplace. To the part where this 252BH gets its name, double over double bunks. One of the nice things about our Connect lineup is the 82-inch flat ceiling. For a 6'2" guy like me, I have tons of headspace in the shower. Starting out here on the exterior, you get the power tongue jack, the dual LP bottles, you get the molded fiberglass front cap with automotive windshield. Around the side, you get a really nice pass-through storage. As I move down, you get the full glass entry door. And right here, you get the screen defender for your pets. You also get screen shot, so the door shuts itself. You get the large grab handle, the solid steps. You also get a BAL chassis from Norco, and then you get a full-length awning on the outside. I hope you guys enjoyed the tour of the KZ Connect 252BH. For more information, visit kz-rv.com or visit your local dealer.